Is your computer acting up? Slow performance, random crashes, or just won't turn on? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you quick and easy troubleshooting steps to get your computer back up and running. Let's dive in. First up, if your computer won't turn on, here's what you need to check. Make sure the power cable is plugged in properly. Sometimes it's just a loose connection. If using a laptop, try a different charger or remove the battery and plug in directly. Check if there's a power surge by plugging into a different outlet. Still nothing? Your power supply might be faulty. In that case, you might need professional repair. Is your computer running slower than a snail? Try these quick fixes. Close unnecessary programs running in the background. Use Task Manager, Control plus Shift plus Escape, to see what's using up memory. Clear out temporary files by running disk cleanup. Uninstall programs you don't need. Less clutter means better performance. Restart your computer. It sounds simple, but it works. No internet? Here's what you can do. Restart your modem and router. Unplug them for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on and you're connected to the right network. If the issue persists, try using a wired connection to see if it's your Wi-Fi acting up. Still no luck? Call your internet provider to check for outages. Nothing's more frustrating than the dreaded blue screen of death. Here's how to troubleshoot. Write down the error code. It can help pinpoint the problem. Check for overheating. Make sure your computer isn't too hot and that the fans are working. Update your drivers, especially graphics and chipset drivers. Run a virus scan. Malware can cause crashes, so make sure your system is clean. If a program freezes, don't panic. Try this. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and open Task Manager. Select the unresponsive program and click End Task. Restart your computer. A fresh start can clear up minor glitches. Check for updates. Sometimes outdated software causes crashes. And there you have it. Fast and easy fixes for common computer problems. If this video helped you, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you next time.